Hi guys, this is Nelson, and today we're going to be making a bushcraft chair using a tripod. A tripod is one of the most useful things around your camp. You can use it for cooking as a pot stand, for building as support, and what we're going to be doing today is we're going to be using it for a bushcraft chair. Let's get on with it! To make a tripod, we're going to need 3 long, strong, straight poles like these. To make our tripod more stable, we're going to put a point on the end of each pole. We've put a point on each of our poles, and the next step is to lash them together. Before we start lashing, we're first going to check that the ends of the poles are even. Okay, that seems good. As you can see, I've rested the poles on this log to make it easier for lashing. And I'm going to sit on here so that the poles maintain in place thanks to my legs. We're going to start our lashing by making a timber hitch. We're going to make a bite like this, twist it 4 or 5 times, like that. Then we're going to take the other end of our rope and feed it through. There we go. I'm just going to pull like that. There we go. Then we're going to go over and under like that, maintaining tension. Then and over here, under, over, and there. Maintain tension. Go over, under. Oh, I did something. Oh yeah. So, like that. Go over and under again, and over here and under here. Oh, seems like I crossed over this. That's better. There we go. Maintain tension. Yeah, deep reach, gone everywhere 3 times. Yeah, then we're going to start frapping, which means we're going to go over everything like that. There, go over it, pull tight. Then again. And then last time. And there we go. Okay, we've frapped one side. Now we're going to frap the other side. We're going to go around, then come under with my rope, maintaining tension, and pulling, tight. Then again. That. There. And there. The last time. And then I'm going to finish off our lashing with a clove hitch. Okay. And put it through here. Put it through both, like that. And then we'll wrench it. There. And that's the lashing finished. Okay, we've done the lashing, and now we're going to put up our tripod. To put up a tripod, we're first going to put the middle pole to the back, two front poles to the side and to the front like here, so that forms a triangle. Okay, because it's a tripod, it should be able to support my own weight. Seems good. To make the seat of the chair, we're going to use this piece of tarp left over from our old camp. I'm going to fold it up, well, gather it up, like so. We're going to fold it over, and we're going to attach my paracord to it using a sheet bend. To tie the sheet bend, we're going to go under here, make sure we have enough rope. That's enough. We're going to go around, pull tight, and we're going to put the rope back under itself. Take the two ropes here and pull. Ooh, so we're going to corner. Here. And pull both tight. There you have a sheet bend. To attach our seat, we're going to go like this, around the highest pole, there, like that. We're going to make a simple reef knot. Okay, our seat is attached, and now we're going to put this stick through the fold of the sheet, making sure that it's even on all sides, on both sides. And then just go like that. Yep. And I'm going to put my leg against it. Take my rope. I'm going to fold it in half, because we're going to be making a cow hitch, or yeah, a cow hitch. Pull that tight around. Okay. And then, like that. Okay. Now we're going to do it on the other side. Take my rope, fold it in half. Yeah. Okay, now it's enough. Okay. There we go. And then and that. Okay. But I do find it's a little bit high. So you can easily adjust that. Like that. Oh, like that. There. Let's test it out. Oh man. Man, this seat is super comfy. This is the video for today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share, like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye!